Okay, 3-6, we're doing estimation of square roots. If you're using a calculator, you're not estimating. Got it? What is it?
I forgot to catch up.
There's the rest of it.
Oh, yeah, I did. Oh, you're good.
Alright, so let's do a quick review. This is also estimation between what two integers. So this is kind of what we talked about yesterday a little bit, so let's review. Example 1. If everybody catches up. So we talked about this yesterday, and we want to make sure that we understand this. It is estimation. Not need to use a calculator until the end. Okay, so example 1 is the square root of 37. What two integers does that fall between?
36 and 35. I mean, no, never mind.
The square root of it.
5 and 6 and 7.
6 and 7. 6 times 6 is 36.
Oh.
7 times 7 is 49. That falls between it. So 6 and 7 is the answer to that. Alright? Example 2. Square root of 79 falls between what two integers?
8 and 9.
8 and 9. Very good. Example 3.
Speak. I'm not everyone. Oh my god.
Alright, we're going to let Bethany answer this one. Ready?
Oh. I'm slow.
Got that one right.
Wait. Oh, hello. Should you have to do the problem?
I'm waiting on you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. The square root of 18.
8, that is 3 and 6.
What? It's 9.
Actually, you know, that's true, but I want consecutive integers. Like 3 and 4 are consecutive, 7 and 8 are consecutive.
9. And 9. I don't know.
99.
Okay, look. 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 7 is 49. These are consecutive integers, one right after the other. 37 falls between there. Okay?
Oh, okay.
This is 64, that's 81. 79 falls between those two. The square root of 79 falls between those two, right? This is 64 when you square it, and that's 81.
Yeah.
Is 79 between those two?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm asking for. When you take the square root of 79, you're going to get 8 point something, which falls between 8 and 9.
Oh,
This-
2 and 20.
Okay, but I'm wanting consecutive numbers. 8 and 9 are right after each other. 2 and 20 are not right after each other. Like 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 6.
Oh, 5.
5 is 25, 6 is 36. Keep going.
4. 4. No. No. 3, 4.
Alright. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. 6 squared is 36.
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Woohoo!
There we go. Alright. Pressure was on. Alright.
Pressure on me.
Approximate. So really what I'm wanting to know is which is closer to start with. That's how you start this. We're approximating this number. Example 4. So I'm teaching you how to come up with a decent guess at the answer without a calculator. So this is the square root of 45. Now, the first thing you do is you need to identify which two consecutive integers that falls between. That's the first thing you should do. Drake,
What?
what'd you get?
6 and 7.
6 and 7. Now, which one is it closer to? Watch. So 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49. Which one is 45 closer to?
7.
Okay, so this is going to be approximately 7 if you had to round it to the nearest whole number. Okay? So you're just approximating here. What are you doing?
I have to go pee.
The answer is 7.
Drake, go.
What? Hey, so the answer is 7.
Yeah, so right now.
I like how she said that on the.
Yes.
So like when she said I had to repeat all of that was
Alright. Example 5 then. Everybody approximate this. Square root of 68.
Oh,
8, 9.
Bethany, go ahead. What? Now which one is it closer to?
Hey, don't give me the answer. I didn't give you an answer. I didn't give you the answer.
Don't listen to them. They failed their test.
I don't.
We all did.
Bethany.
8.
Okay. Approximately 8. That's only if you're going to round to the nearest whole number. If you had to round it, you put it on a calculator. But the point is, you guys should know pretty close to what the answer is before you use your calculator. Okay? So on the test, you'll have to do these things. Make sure you read your instructions. If you don't read your instructions and you screw up like you did in your homework, guess what?
Fail.
You miss it on the test, and it's really kind of silly to miss those things. 49%?
Out of yesterday was good. Because you had a 36.
Now,
I'm talking.
2 to the nearest 100. I really don't like this, but I'm going to show it to you because it's in the book.
Okay. You don't have to. It's okay.
Example 6. The square root of 71. Now, first of all, to the nearest whole number, what is the answer?
9.
8, 9.
8. Oh, wait, 8. No.
What 2 does it fall between?
7 and 8. No.
8, 9.
8, 8, 9. 8 is.
64, 9 is 81. And it's important to know that because you gotta, in order to get this to the nearest 100th, you gotta have those two numbers. These two, 64 and 81. Alright, step 1. Find the numbers that it falls between.
8,
the
9.
integers. 8, 9. Step 2. Subtract 71 minus 64.
7.
That's 7.
Yep.
Then subtract your upper number minus your lower number when they're squared. 81 minus 64.
17.
Hey.
I use my calculator.
Cheating. Okay, so the answer is 8 and 7/17.
That just made no sense.
I don't get it.
Oh, I get it.
Am I done?
No.
I'm not done. Now, this says the nearest 100th. What's 7 divided by 17?
7.7.
What's your calculator say?
I didn't memorize it.
0.41176.
Oh, or
Wait,
7, 6.
wait, what did you say?
My head's not working.
7 divided by 17. 7 divided by 17. I don't see a 75 up here anywhere.
How'd you get 8.41?
How'd you get?
Yeah, I got
7
0
divided by 17.
I got 0.4117.
So I got 0.4111.
Maybe
If you guys would be quiet, he did it.
divided by 17 is 412. So the answer is 8.41 if you're going to round it to the nearest hundredth. Now, I think this is absolutely the stupidest thing I've ever done in my life. Because if I'm going to have to figure out what 7/17 is anyway, I might as well just take my calculator and take the square root of 71. So take the square root of 71. Round it to the nearest hundredth and tell me what you get.
8.426.
What is the square root? Tell me what you have, Brianna. The square root of 71. I can't hear you.
8.432.
Okay, now, when you round to the nearest hundredth, you get 8.43.
Yes, I got it right. So is
Is
this?
that the same answer?
Yes.
No.
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 Oh my, so that was the easiest thing ever. People were just like, yeah, it's a 1 and a 3.
Okay, so the point is, this just gives you an approximation. I'm not going to have you do this. This is just silly. It doesn't even give you the right answer anyway. The whole point is approximating. We're not doing this. I just want to show it to you because it does show you how to do this in the book. It's going to tell you to do this in your homework assignment. Okay? So, just a minute, I'll tell you what I want you to do. So, you do have it.
Yes.
Okay? Step 1, find the two integers it falls between. Step 2, subtract the square root number minus the smaller number squared. Step 3, the higher number squared minus the smaller number squared. Divide the two numbers. Put it together. Okay, that's kind of how you do it. It's really dumb. We're not going to do that.
Yay.
Alright. Your assignment. It's page 118.